Hello, welcome to my channel beautifulforlove.nails. In this video we'll do a refill on these nails. I have them for 3 weeks. As you can see, they are holding up very well. The color is still shiny and there are no chip off. The rhinestones are still there. If you want to see how I created this look, you can look in the playlist Jelcie Nails. I will also link the video here. And today we'll do a design with dipping powder. And the method that I'm always using, dipping powder with gel. We'll change also the shape, we'll make them shorter and we'll make a stiletto. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe. You can find me on Pinterest and TikTok and Instagram as well, beautifulforlove.nails. And if you want to check the affiliate links, you can look in the description below. The products that I'll be using in this video are also linked in below. I will show you now what drill bits I'm using for this video. There are only 5 that we need. A ceramic bit for removing the first layer, sanding bit, cuticle bits, and that's all. 5 bits. There are so many bits in the market and you can choose yours and what shape you want to use. There are plenty for each method that you are choosing, or depending with which bit you are feeling more comfortable with. So we will start the refill and we'll see how it's going. I already removed for 2 nails just to make the video a little bit shorter. I want to grab your attention fully. So we'll do the same thing on the other 2 nails. One will be a little bit shorter and the other one will be on stiletto style. I'm removing all the rhinestones with the nail clipper. The nail clipper that I'm using, keep in mind that is not the same that I will be using for cuticles. This is an older one and I'm using it only to remove rhinestones. I'll use the ceramic bead coarse grit on 30,000 RPM speed. Keep in mind that my drill machine is holding up to 35,000, is a little bit weaker, and I can have it on 30,000 RPM. It's not causing any fire or any pain to my nails. It's depending on the drill machines. If you want to have a tutorial on drill machines or drill bits, let me know in the comments. As you can see, the first layer is removing very fast while I'm using the drill bit. I'm removing the color as much as I can, and I think it removed almost all. So now I'm just cutting the length a little bit to shorten the file time. And I'm using the drill bit, same drill bit, to reshape the nail, as well to shorten the filing time. I'll clean under nail because whenever you are changing the shape from square or coffin to stiletto, you have to clean underneath to make sure that the nail is not coming too down. Now I'm using the drill bits for cuticles, and the drill bits for cuticles are diamond. I'm using the medium one just to lift the eponychium, okay, and to remove all the cuticle that is there and under as much as is possible. This cuticle, by removing it, I think I'm repeating myself in every video, but is an important step for prepping the nails to prevent nails from lifting. As you could see at the beginning of the video, I didn't had any lifting in 3 weeks that I had those nails. So when you are having lifting on your hands, you can feel it when you are brushing your hair with the hands. You will feel that the hair will get stuck. So at that time is lifting. If you don't know exactly what lifting is. I use the sanding bit, the 150 grit, to smooth the nail and to remove any remaining of gel. Now this is the cuticle nipper that I'm using for cuticles. Is the one from Stalex. You are seeing me using it in every video. It is amazing. If you don't know Stalex, please go and check them out. They have stores in, I think, pretty much every country. So go and check them out. They are very good in implements for nails and much more. After removing the cuticles, I'm just buffing the nail. This step, you can do it also before removing the cuticle. If you are not touching the cuticle area when you are buffing, it's okay to do it after. But if you feel like you don't pay attention and you are touching the cuticle area, do it before, because the more that you are filing and the more that you are touching with the file on the cuticle area, on the eponychium, the more you will have to cut. It will come dry skin more and more. Okay, now we are going with the dipping powder. The dipping powder that I'm using is Born Pretty, and you can find the link in the description below for Born Pretty if you want to order dip powder or even gel colors or builder gel they have, and many more, much more things. So you can check them out. The method that I'm using is placing a layer of gel base. After that, I will put the dip powder and cure it under LED for 30 seconds. Make sure that the gel base is a thin layer and is not covering the cuticles or is not falling over the nail. If it's covering the cuticle, of course, the dipping powder will stuck to gel base and it will cure. So just pay attention on this one. I made many times this mistake and I'm trying to correct it. So if you are doing the same mistake, don't worry. With time, you will understand what I'm saying and you will get better. After placing the first layer, I will do the same thing for a second layer. The dip powder with gel base is not giving that much strength as using the dip powder kit, but I find it very easy to apply and faster. I don't need to wait for dip powder to cure naturally like acrylic. After placing the second layer and cure it, I will apply only one base coat layer before going further. This powder, dip powder, magenta, I think is the color, is also Born Pretty. You can check it in the description below. They are from the same family, both from same collection. They had different collections before Born Pretty. You can find them on different websites, but check their official website for Born Pretty dip powder. They still have a nice collection, but before they had many more. They had like thermal colors and sparkles and everything. So it was a big variety of dip powder. Now only the main collection is there. From this collection is 3-in-1. You can also carve with it, or you can use it as an acrylic with monomer. if you want. After doing the same process on the other two nails, I put 2 layers, and after that the gel base. I just cleanse it, and now I will apply the sticker. These stickers, I bought them from Shein. Yes. They're okay. They're looking great. See, I'm kind of struggling to place it. Maybe because I removed the tacky layer. It can be because I cleansed the nail, and now it doesn't have where to catch. I don't know, but it was kind of difficult for me to unstick them from the paper, and as well to stick them on my nail. So you see, one of them already I threw it out. It's this part, it was a little bit difficult. It's not gluing easy, but when it's gluing, it's fine. Now it's not that straight, but anyway. Now I will place a top coat just to seal it, and we'll let it cure for 60 seconds. This is a very easy way to do this design. It's kind of it's fast, and it's also looking good. You can let it even like this if you want, or you can go further as I went. I wanted to make it a little bit more complicated. If you are looking to my playlist, you will see that I'm using different methods for design at the same time. I mean, in the same nail art, I'm using 2, 3, 4 techniques or types of design or art or whatever you are calling. I'm not doing 100% design because I don't draw, but still. After I placed the top coat, which was a matte one, as you can see it, I placed the shiny top coat on a stamp, and I want to create French glossy. It's an easy way to create it with the stamp French, but same time, not all the time you can do it right. It's depending on your luck or on my luck. Sometimes it was right from the first time. Sometimes I had to fail 10 times to just make one hand. So I will do this on each nail for French, glossy French. And I think it's adding an extra effect. Yeah. So the top coat that I applied. Oh, no, sorry. That wasn't the top coat, it was a transfer foil. Same thing, 60 seconds 2 times, okay? Transfer foil. You know that I'm putting voice over video, so I forgot this step. Sorry. I put the transfer foil 2 times, 60 seconds, and after that I'm placing the foil. The foil, it catches very well. And very well, not that well, because you can see there are some missed spots, but it's good enough. And now I am placing the top coat, the shiny top coat. This is for sure top coat, okay? I will not confuse you again. Only on the tip, but on the middle 2 fingers I place the top coat. And this top coat, I let it cure for 60 seconds as well. And this should be it. And this is the final look. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe. I will come with new things soon. and new ideas, and something that I usually don't have on my channel. So I'll bring some things new. I posted a little bit rare this month because there were some technical issues with the camera, but it will be fine, and I will come back to regular posting. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you like this one, and check also my playlist for other designs that I did. Thank you. Bye bye.